Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine and today I'm going to be walking you through how to do a basic fishtail braid, also known as a herringbone braid. This braid is very simple to do. We are going to start with dividing the hair into two sections. As you can see here, make sure they're as even as you can make them. And then you're going to hold the hair with your left hand, use your middle finger to hold the right section, take a small piece from the front right and cross it over the right section so it becomes a part of the left. You're going to use your index finger and thumb to hold that section in place while you grab a small piece from the left side and you're going to cross it over, as you can see here. And then we're going to do the same thing again. You're going to use your index finger and your thumb to hold those two little sections together while we grab another section and cross it over, and then do the same on the opposite side. And we're just going to have to keep holding with our index fingers, just kind of pinching it a little bit as we start the braid, because this is where it's going to feel the loosest and be the least secure. And as we work our way down the hair, it will get easier to hold and you won't necessarily need to pinch it as tightly. You certainly won't need to pinch the whole thing, just the bottom a little bit. As you can see here, I'm still kind of holding it, but it's not as tight as the braid itself is starting to hold together. These braids will take a little bit longer than a traditional braid because they are so much more detailed, but I think these are some beautiful braids that will still hold your hair very securely, if not more securely than a traditional braid, because there are so many smaller pieces. So we're just going to keep working our way down until we get to the bottom, and we're going to tie it off. And there you have it, a basic fishtail braid. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Thank you and have a fabulous day.